Hello everyone. Do you know Diroots plugin is free for the Revit? Today I am going to show you my 5 daily used Diroots plugins, which is really saving my time a lot. Did you try? Let's check it out. If you install that plugins, so in the Revit you can get it here, Diroots 1, and then all the plugins will show here. So my first one, I'm going to talk about that will be the sheet link. Okay, once you will open this one and you will see you have all the whole model, active view and current selection. If I go to whole model and I can see all the model category, it's showing here. If I have to change anything, I'll just go to select. It's showing all the instance type and read only parameter. You can go and update this. You can export it in the Excel. If you select here any parameters, and then you can export it and you can update and then again import it. If you are going to work with the sheet, you can get the parameters. If you have to update the sheet parameter, just I'm going to show you. I have to change something in the sheet. I'm just going to export this. And you can see that all the parameters it's exported. Just go to the sheet. It's already open, but it's okay. You can see that I have some information. You need to change this from here or update it. You have bunch of sheets and you want to change like project number, issue date, drawn by, checked by. Okay, so from here the Excel what you exported, you can go and change it from here. If you want to change this one to you can say anything as per your requirement. If you want to change this one, approved by even sheet issue date, you can also change. Suppose today is 27th of July 2023, and then you can change all these. If you want to change the drawing number also, you can go find A and replace it with S. Okay, and then this is your number. You can just save it and you can close this one or minimize. Again go to have to again go to sheet link and then go to import and just you modify this sheet. Once you will select this one, it's showing that model updated successfully. If you go to check this, you can see your information, drawing number, checked by, drawn, and then sheet issue date also it's updated. And not only in one sheet, it's updated in whatever you updated there, it's updated in all sheet. One more thing is here. If I go to, if you have to change, suppose you have door, and I'll just go to 3D first, and then I want to check or in elevation. Okay, here we have door, and you can see door number mark, it's showing 204. I'm just I try to change it to D-202 or door number before you want to add D. So, and all the doors in the project. So again I am going to sheet link, and then I will go to door category, and actually the mark was in the type instance parameter. So just I will go to filter out others, and then I'll just go to either select only this, or you want to change more things, whatever you want you can select. This is as per your requirement. Whatever you want to change, you can select it, and then you can export. Once export will finish, then you can see that door mark is showing here. Then if you want to change this one to add D, you can add equal to, can go to concat text this, and then sorry, you have to do D first, and then you have to add this one second, and you have to add dash also. So click OK, and you can see D is added before the door. Just go to apply for all, copy these things, and just select delete, and sorry, just copy this again and then paste here, and then you can, if you want, you can delete this, because this is already updated your door number. And then just go to import again, and then this time select door. You can see it's quickly updated, model updated successfully. Just let's go to check the door, and here your door is updated with the D. So in this list I have second is table chain. What I'm using, the second one is table chain, and we will go to now move to this, and then we will see. If you go to this one, this plugins, it's showing that we have to add some tables. Okay, let's go to check what is this. If we have to make any schedules or add any tables, so this is very useful, because sometimes we are making some door schedule, column and beam schedules, or any foundation or anything. So in the Excel it's easy, and sometimes we have Excel list is already prepared, so we are just going to import that one. Okay, so I'll show you that one, how we can do it. If you'll go first, you need to get that Excel file, okay, where you have updated table. So I'll go to, I already prepared one table, beam schedules. I will just open this one. I'll show you what is there. Yes, so yeah, so here you have to importing whatever you have to import that one in that Excel. You have to prepare that. So here I prepared one beam schedule. Okay, this is just a sample, and then I'll go to import that schedule there. So how you can do, before doing that, you have to select this entire table range, what you want to import in the model, and then you have to go to put the table name. Okay, so here I am saying that beam, I just mention the beam, and just make sure the table is selecting this range from A1 to till I13. Okay, and then just save this, Ctrl S, and then close this. Again, just I'll go to browse this. Okay, and from this there was beam schedule. There were 2 sheets in the Excel that was in the beam schedule. So I just go to select beam schedule, and then this is what I made, the selection of the cells whatever I required for the table. Then select this, go to, if you want to create this table as a legend view, schedule view, or drafting view. Here I'll just go to choose the legend view, and I select OK. Once you select this, you can see that beam schedule 001 is created, and then apply this one, and it will be create your schedule in the model. So once it's done, then you will go to the legend, and you can open this one, and you can see this table is created here inside that Revit legend. And you can even use this one in any sheets. If you want to put here in the plan, I just go to put it here. You can see that the beam schedule is ready. Even good thing is that they are in the table. If you will go to change anything, just you have to go to update view, just click here. Let me just go to modify that sheet. I'll just go to change something inside that Excel file, open file, and then I'm just going to keep some sidebars here, T12 at 200. Okay, just save this. Again, just go to, if you'll click here auto sync, it will be automatically sync that one. Go to update, and then apply. Just apply this, and then changes applied, that one, and then you can go and see it's already updated. Okay. The next third one in the list I have is sheet chain, and then we will move to here now. This is when you have to create bunch of the sheets, drawings. You can make hundreds of drawings in one time, or thousands of drawings in one time. Just go to put the numbers, and then select the sample of the sheets, whatever you want to make it as, title block you want to apply, or any you want to populate views from the template, or keep legends same on the all 100 sheets, keep a schedule, same schedule on the 100 sheet. This is as per your requirement. So you can create anything. Suppose I just want to make 10 sheets, and then I want to keep the legend, and I click on create. You can see the 10 new sheets are created here. You can go to put the name, okay, and the number also you can change it from here, and then you can apply it, Once you'll apply, you will see that your 10 new sheets are created here. Once you open the sheet, you can see that we choose that keep the legend, and then is legend in all the new sheets available there. Okay, now I have one thing to do. I have submission, and then I have to put the revision numbers in my few sheets or these sheets. Okay, here if I go to the drawings, I couldn't find any revision, so I'll go to create one revision now. Go to view and create one revision. You can say this is revision date is 27/07/23, and then description is for approval. Okay, just we will go to make like this, and then make sure this is start number is from 0, and then prefix, it's up to you, you can give it 0 or single 0 or double 0. And then I'll go to apply this one. So for doing this, you have to go and choose okay, this is not I just keep only one. Okay, so this is not, you can see that you have to do all sheets one by one. You have to go open and then apply. If you go to again Diroots, and then we were working on the sheet chain, once you open, you will find that you have to apply the revisions on these sheets. First you have to go to make the save view or sheet set. Okay, you have to create new. You have to select first. This is your submission. This is the these are the drawings. You have to create the sets for the submission, and then you can say 20/07/23 submission, and then save it. Once you will go to the revision list, and then you can find your sets here. Once you will select, this is only, you can see only these are the sets showing here. Just select all, wherever you have to apply the revisions, select all once, hold the shift key and then select all, and then you can go and you can check it, apply the first revision, and once you complete, you can see that all sheets has this yellow is showing this is applied but not applied in the model. This is inside the Diroots. Once you will click apply, then it will be apply and it will be finished. So you can see that within a second you apply to the 100 sheets. Wherever your submission is there, modifications are applied successfully. Once you will close, you can go and check it. This is revision 0. This is also same. Okay, the fourth one in this list is family revisor. The family revisor is this one. We'll just go to open and then we will see. Family revisor is if you have to revise any family name as per your BEP or as per naming conventions. If you work on the project and later on you got that information from the client or consultant that you have to update your all the families as per this company standard or as per the employer information requirement or as per the BEP, so you can go and you can use this one. This is very useful for revising the family. And once you will go here, you can find that, suppose if I am going to find that any structural column, you will see there are two types of column. One is concrete round column and then this one. If you'll go to edit and then again you go to uncheck all categories and then go to find same structure category, you can see here you have two types, and then you want to change, you can change it. Let me try to some other maybe door. Yeah, you can see in the door you have different types of door, family name and types. So if you want to change this one, here just double click this one, and then you can write here door and give the dash or underscore as per your PEP, because you have to give the category name, what element category is that, and then the name of that size. So just I'm going to write here door, and then I'm giving that underscore. Just 3, I change this 3, and just go to apply this one. Once you apply, you will see that your door was in this elevation, I think. Yeah, so here you can see that door name has changed also. Second thing is for the family revisors is that this is very good and useful for all of us, that if you have any standard, you have any model, and you know that that model is containing all the family, all the annotation, everything, you want to use it for the further your projects, or like you want to make a template, you want to export all the things, all the family from there and use again and again for the next project. So this is how you can export it. There is the option to export. If you select all the category here in the whole project, all the annotation, category symbols, casework, detail, whatever you want, you can get it, all the family, and you can export it. In the export, select one by one whatever you want, or you want all the categories, you can select it all, and then you can get it from the path. This is the path, or you can change the file saving path in your desktop or anywhere, wherever you want, and then you can click to export, and then all the families inside that model will be exported, and you can go and import in any other or any blank family, any Revit family, and you can use it. You can make a template for your standard. For moving to the next, this video is becoming longer, but anyway, we are almost there to the end. And before ending, I'm just I'll request you, if you like to make more videos like this, more tutorials like this. If it is useful for you, please like, subscribe and share with others. So the fifth one in this list is Pro Sheet, and this is the last one here, but not the least, because this is Pro Sheets. Every day, every time you need, everyone need this. These other tools, maybe you can say you can use in one time or weekly, or maybe not much, more often, that one to use every day. But this one, Pro Sheets, like this is if you have to print the drawings, you have batch printing, you have bunch of drawing to print. Okay, so this is very useful. I use every time these tools. So how you can do it, that just go to Pro Sheet, just click on that, and then you will move to the, it will pop up that the selection Diroots Pro Sheet box, and then from here what you have to do, you remember that we used that in the, when we are going to sheet chain, we were using that save VS set, view or sheet set. We already did that one, so I'll just go to check this one. It is not showing here. Okay, I'll go to just make new, make sure this is okay. If you have a sheet set already applied, then you can get it from here maybe. So I'm just going to make it again. I have to submit these drawings here. I'll just go to make new sheet set. So later on, if I will come here 2023-07 and today is the 27th. Okay, and this is for the submission. Okay, just I save this, and then if you'll uncheck this, if you'll come here, sorry, we were going to the wrong, we were going to the saved sheet. I was not going to call that sheet. So if you'll come here, and then you can get it all the sheet sets whatsoever in your project, and you can choose from here. If you go to this, you can find that whatever drawings you have for the submission, then select it and just click on next. Once you'll go to next, you can see that from here, from the pro sheets, you can export 7 types of in 7 format. You can export the drawings in 7 format at once. So in the PDF, DWG, TGN or DWF, whatever you want, you can export it. So here I'm just going to check this PDF, DWG, and this time I need DWF. All 3 are okay. Here if you have to change, you have to go and check the quality of the drawings, if it is perfect, drawing size. If you go to the PDF, just I'm going to show you one thing. If you go to the PDF, and then you can see that, sorry, DWF, you can see that you have quality here, you have sizes here. So you can go and change this one also. For now, I'm just going to keep that 3 format, and then I will go to next. It's saying that DW export setup is not available in this model. If you have any setup, you can import it in your model, or you can, if you don't, it will by default, it will be exported, okay, by Revit format. And then from here, I just go to desktop, and then I can select this one. From here, you can see that you can export, save all files in the same folder location. And there is another option that save as split file by file format. So once you click this one here, you will see the PDF file will be printed in the PDF folder, and there will be just go to create, and then I will show you the folder. So each format will have separate folder. If you selected PDF, CAD and DWF, there will be all 3 folders there. It will take some time because the drawings, it's printing always in 3 formats, CAD, PDF and DWF. Once it will be finished, then I'll show you that the folder format. It is done, and then you can see here it's pop out that export completed, and then you can click open folder, and here you can see that all these 3 formats prints are there: PDF, DWG and DWF. Here one more thing you can do it here from this pro sheet. Just I'm just going to go to the drawing numbers here in the naming. Okay, if you have to change the drawing naming, suppose you want to put something, or as per your project requirement, you have some parameters to add in the drawing name, so you can edit from here. Suppose just I'll go to show you, go to manage tab and just check the project information. You can put it project information also in the drawing. You can say that project number is here, suppose 2023-101. This is the project number, and then you can say the organization name is These two I want to add in the drawings, so I change this one in the project information, and then again you have to go to the pro sheet. Once you will go here, I think it was, I have to reopen that. Okay, so once you will go here, just go to click here, edit file name, and then you can see here, before I already added this one, drawing number and title, drawing name. These two, sheet number, sheet name was added here. Here I'm just going to bring that project number and what I added, that organization. It is not showing here because that is the project information. Just go to check this one, and then project information is enabled here, organization name, and then you have to go to get the project number. Okay, how you can arrange that one? You have to, project number you want to keep the first, and then here is the separation of that numbering system. If you want to keep the dash or underscore, it is up to you, but you can keep it here like this. And then I am going to give the organization name after the project number, and then sheet number, then name. Once you will click OK, you can see that it is changed. Even you can save it, save as, and you can say it that IBU and project number. You can name it as per your project number, it's better, because I always do that. If I have number, project number, then I add that one, and then you can use it later on whenever you want. Just you have just you have to go to select these sheets, and then you can see that your drawing will be, I just go to print one drawing and only PDF. Next, in the same location, because this is you go to select the create and go to open the file quick, and then we will see this is the updated one, this drawing number, and this is the previous printed. So this is how you can utilize, and I am very thankful for the Diroots to providing these plugins free.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.